Cancer of the ovary is quite a common cancer. It usually happens after the age of 40-45 years.
Ovarian cancer is a disease which is cancer of the ovaries in women. There is a lifetime risk of 1 in 70 women developing ovarian cancer. The disease is usually diagnosed in later stages, and that is why treatment becomes difficult. Who are the women who are more at risk of developing ovarian cancer? If you have a family history of ovarian cancer in the family, breast or colon cancer in the family, you may be born with a mutation of a BRCA1 or 2 gene. If these mutations are positive for you, you have a 40% more chance of developing ovarian cancer. It is advisable to remove the ovaries by the age of 40, after which the chance of ovarian cancer is increased. It is also advised now to actually remove the tubes along with the ovaries, because 1 decade of pathological studies have shown that many of these ovarian cancers are tubal in origin. The good news is, how can you prevent? Feeding your baby after delivery, using oral contraceptive pills, or even having tubal ligation as a family planning method has somehow been seen to reduce the risk of ovarian cancer.
It usually causes vague abdominal symptoms like distension of the abdomen, uncomfortable or pain in the lower part of the abdomen. Usually after the age of 40-45, every woman should undergo a cancer screening. Simple screening tests like an ultrasound, we can diagnose a cancer of the ovary. And if you diagnose the cancer of the ovary in an early stage, then the tumor is confined to the ovary, surgical removal of that ovarian mass is the end of the treatment. You do not need further treatment like chemotherapy or radiation treatment. In case if the diagnosis of the cancer of the ovary is beyond stage 1, most often surgery followed by adjuvant 6 cycles of chemotherapy is the end of the treatment. So there is nothing to worry about ovarian cancer. Be aware of it. Get a screening by just an ultrasound of the abdomen, and if you diagnose an ovarian cancer, surgery followed by chemotherapy in locally advanced or advanced ovarian cancer would be the end of the treatment, and you would be a successful winner.